In this portrait, I have tried to capture the warm charm of actress Mrunal Thakur, especially that signature smile. The sketch uses Brustro fine liners and warm grey markers for shading, with Camlin black Flexi brush pen and 8 local color pens to give the hair its colorful flow. Let me know what detail caught your eye, and if you do like to see more sketches like this, follow along.